Okay, good afternoon, Year 2, and welcome to your final music lesson before Christmas. Right? Today we are focusing on composing and performing. Now, I'm going to give you a couple minutes, pause the video, write down, what does composing mean? We've talked about it before. What does composing mean? So hopefully we've got that to compose something means to make up a tune, to write our own music. All right, so that is what we are doing today. We are making up our own tune, and then to perform is to sing that song or play that song on an instrument. So that is what we're looking at today, to compose and perform. So we know this song very well, but we're going to listen to it, and then we're going to answer some questions about it, okay? Feel free to sing along. In my soul, in my heart, in my heart. Music is in me. In my soul, in my soul, in my heart, in my heart. Music is in me. In my hands, in my feet, in my heart. Music is in me. In my hands, in my feet, in my heart. Music is in me. In my soul, in my soul, in my heart, in my heart. Music is in me. In my soul, in my soul, in my heart, in my heart. Music is in me. Music is in me. Okay, so your job, as always, is to answer these 4 questions. Did you like the song? What can you hear? What instruments are in that song? What is the style of music? We've been learning this style of music for 6 weeks, but what style of music is it? Can you remember? And what are the parts of the song? What different parts make up a song? Let's see how much of this you can remember. I'll give you, pause the video, have a go. Right, now on to today's main activity. For this, you will need to remember 2 keywords we've been talking about this term. So the first one is rhythm, which is creating a pulse to a song. So that's, and then notes, which are the individual beats that make up that pulse, the rhythm, whatever, for a song. Okay, so there are 2 things, rhythm and notes. All right. So because this is our last lesson for Christmas, I thought it'd be a bit fun to create our own tune to a Christmas song. So here is sort of a graph for you where we have the words to Jingle Bells, right? Now, if we were in class, I'd get you instruments and you come up with your own little tune. We don't have that. So if you have instruments in your house, by all means use it. But if you're like me and you don't have any instruments, this is where you get to be creative. Now, I have tried to be as creative as I can, and what I've decided to do is I've got some keys, and I've got a plate and a spoon. Right, they are my instruments for today. And I put P to represent plate and K to represent keys in different areas, in different boxes, so that I can map out what I'm going to play at different times as I'm singing the song, all right? And then I'm going to practice it a few times, and then I'm going to give it a go. Now, luckily, I've already practiced. So, dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh over the fields we go, laughing all the way. All right. I would recommend not using keys. Quite tough to do. But find your own instruments. Have a go. All right. Both Miss Teresa and I would love to see these videos of you performing it. Please email them to year2@theprimaryacademy.com. Love to see some of you guys have a real go at creating a Christmas song. You can do Jingle Bells. You can use this graph to help you, or you can use your own Christmas song. Really don't mind. All right. But have a go. Have a bit of fun this afternoon with this. All right. Have a lovely rest of the day, and you'll see us tomorrow. Thanks, everyone.